Umnyango wezasekhaya uhlinzeke ibhodi elilawula imingcele i-BMA ngezinsiza kusebenza ezizolekelela ukuqapha imingcele yakuleli ukunqanda abangena ngokungekho emthethweni. Ungqongqoshe uthi lezi imoto izokwazi ukufinyelela nasezindaweni lapho abantu bengena kuleli ngamahlathi nemifula.
Really impressive is to see there really is nowhere it can't go. And I think if you look at the terrain we face here, so much of it depends on people thinking that they can hide, and they can, even now with the drones that we've deployed, that they think they can find a particular area where they won't be discovered. But I can tell you not only this vehicle, some of the others that we are seeing here today takes us to another level of our ability to actually respond.
Lezi insiza sezivele ziyasebenza njengoba kukhona ababoshwayo kusetshenziswa zona.
Well, I think we are starting to see progress. That's the first place to start. I think we all understand how high this mountain is that we have to climb in dealing with all the infrastructure issues that we've seen over the years developing in the port environment. But the progress is very real. We just saw a drone demonstration again where our drones are now becoming part of the way that the BMA operates. Seeing people moving illegally across the border, we deployed, and a few minutes ago we had some of the people who were arrested.
Umnyango uthi unethemba lokuthi izokwehla izibalo zabangena ngokungemthetho kuleli emva kokwethulwa kwalezi imoto kanye nama-drones azokhombisa konke okwenzekayo emingceleni yakuleli.